Tired of manually checking websites and missing crucial updates? Today, we're diving into how to trigger web pages with Zapier, unlocking powerful automation that reacts to website visits and content changes in real time. First, head over to Zapier and click Create App to start a new automation workflow. We'll need to select a trigger app, which is the application that initiates your automation. Search for and select Webhooks by Zapier. Webhooks will allow us to monitor the web page of your choice. Choose Catch Hook as the trigger event. This tells Zapier to wait for a specific signal from a web page before proceeding. Zapier will generate a unique Webhook URL. Copy this URL. You'll need this to configure your chosen website monitoring service to send data to Zapier. Now, switch to your preferred website monitoring tool. These tools typically offer options to trigger notifications or actions when a website changes. Paste the Zapier Webhook URL into the tool's notification or webhook settings. Back in Zapier, test the trigger. Your website monitoring tool should now send test data to Zapier through the Webhook URL. This confirms that the connection is working correctly. Next, choose your action app. This is the app where you want something to happen when the website triggers the webhook. It could be anything from sending an email in Gmail, posting a message in Slack, or updating a Google Sheet. Configure the action step to define exactly what happens in your chosen app when the trigger occurs. Use the data received from the webhook to populate fields in your action. Finally, give your app a descriptive name and turn it on from now on. Whenever your chosen website triggers the webhook, Zapier will automatically perform the action you've configured. That's it. You've successfully triggered web pages with Zapier.